Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can fix the overheating issues on your Google Pixel 6a, Google Pixel 6 or the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Now an important thing to note over here is that the fixes which I tell you in this video might not be perfect for you because we will have to reduce certain functionality of the Google Pixel series because of the inherent defects caused by the hardware which has been used. So the first option is to disable 5G. Now, why is it important to disable 5G? That is because the 5G modem on the Google Pixel 6 series is from Samsung and it is not that great. So even though it might result in no 5G, you'll have to use 4G or LTE, but it should help you with overheating on your Google Pixel 6, 6a or the 6 Pro. So you will go into settings. Once you are in settings, you will go into network and internet. You're going to land on a page like this. Your SIM card is going to show over here. So then you need to select the SIMs option. Now once we are on the SIMs page, herein you need to scroll and you will see an option for preferred network type. Once you select the option for preferred network type, you are going to see a pop-up which gives you different options. So you have 5G, LTE, 3G and 2G. If you choose LTE over here, that is going to turn off 5G or disable 5G. And if you want to turn your 5G back on or enable it, you come back to the same option and select 5G. The next solution is for those of you who have a Samsung Galaxy Watch and you have the Samsung Health app installed on your device. If you go into your settings and then you go into the battery section, and herein you tap on your battery usage and you see that the Samsung Health application is on top or it is using a lot of battery. That means it is running in the background, and as per reports on Reddit user feedback, the health app from Samsung is a major cause of heating or overheating on the Google Pixel 6 series. So either you can uninstall this application or you can press and hold, go into app info, uninstall it, or the other option is to go into permissions, and it might have a bunch of these permissions, but the one which we are concerned about, which is known to cause overheating on the Pixel 6 series, is the one for physical activity. So select that permission and say don't allow. This should again reduce the heating on the Google Pixel 6, 6a or the 6 Pro. Now a third tip and trick to reduce the overheating issues is you go into settings, then you go into about phone. Once you go into about phone, scroll down all the way, you will see something called build number. Tap on this 7 times. If you have a PIN or password set up, it will ask you for the PIN, enter that, and then you should get a toast notification that developer options have been enabled. If you then go into settings and system, you will notice an option for developer option. Next thing we need to do is you will go into settings and tap on the search bar in the settings main page, and herein search for data always active. Now once you search for data always active, you will see an option called mobile data always active. This is under developer options. If you select this, it will take you to developer options, and make sure you disable this toggle. If this is enabled, make sure you disable this, because we don't want our mobile data to be active in the background always, even if we are connected to Wi-Fi, because if that is the case, then the modem is working and it causes heating issues. So those are 3 tips and tricks to reduce the overheating on your Google Pixel 6, 6a or the 6 Pro. Now the last option is to return the device, because as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you are within the return window, go ahead and return your device, because this modem from Samsung is just not good enough and it does cause overheating. The other situation wherein you will see overheating on the Google Pixel 6 series is if you're using your camera for longer times, you are outside, out and about, and the ambient temperature is around 85-90 degrees Fahrenheit. It does cause overheating. The phone gets warm to hold, the flash gets disabled on your camera application, and sometimes it randomly shuts down or the camera just stops working. Unfortunately, as of now, at the time of recording this video, we don't have a fix for that, so you will have to live with that situation. And Hope this video helped you, and of course, if you find any other way of fixing the overheating issues on this Google Pixel 6, 6a or the 6 Pro, do let me know via comments below.